Here we go. All right, example number 2. Solve 8 equals negative 2/3 t. Hang on, do I need to pause, Parker J? We are all right? No, I think we need to pause. Thank you, Parker J, for letting us go on with life. That's 30 seconds that I'll never get back. Okay. It says solve 8 equals negative 2/3 t. Is the t by itself, Taylor? T for Taylor. I'm playing that. Okay, it's not by itself. What's with it? What's happening between the negative 2/3 and the t? They're being multiplied. So how do I undo multiplication, Sophia? I do. But think about this. I don't want to divide by a fraction. I mean, when I divide by fractions, what am I actually doing? How do I divide by? I multiply by the reciprocal. So look, I'm going to rewrite this as negative 8 times, I'm sorry, that's not negative 8, it's 8. 8 times negative 3 over 2 is equal to negative 3 over 2 times negative 2/3 t. I'm sorry, I'm writing out a lot of stuff. Do you see how we're multiplying by the reciprocal? So that what happens is, what's a negative times a negative here, Emily? Negative times negative? Positive. Emily, what happens to the 2 3s here? They cancel out. What about the 2 2s? They cancel out. And what am I left with on the right side, Emily? T. Now, Emily, on the left side, I've got 8 over 1. What would you do first? Would you just multiply and reduce, or do you cancel and then multiply?
Make the 8 4 and make the 2 1.
Make the 2 1, make the 8 4, and then when I multiply, what do I get?
12. Or negative 12.
Negative 12. Exactly. Whenever I have a fraction in front of a variable, I multiply by its reciprocal, both sides. Whenever there's a fraction in front of the variable, I multiply both sides by the reciprocal of that fraction. Clay.
Why do you have to put parentheses?
That just means multiply. Parentheses next to each other mean multiply. Now, some people like to do things like this, 4 times negative 3 plus 7, but they don't know what they're doing and they mess up all the time on quizzes and tests. They need to do this kind of stuff so they know to multiply before they add. All right? Okay.
Would make fraction negative 2/3 positive?
No, because remember, a reciprocal doesn't change the sign,
Right.
right?
Right.
The reciprocal of a negative number is a negative number. The reciprocal of a positive number is a positive number. Okay? Because remember, reciprocals, when you multiply them, you get 1. If you don't get 1, then it's not a reciprocal. Okay? So they need to be the same sign. All you do is change the numerator and denominator. All right? Let's look at the next one.